Sometimes I get stumped by simplest things like 2 plus 2. For example, I have lessons from the 2nd to the 4th day of the month from 2 to 4 o'clock. How many hours total am I studying each month? Well, 2 o'clock plus 2 hours is 4 o'clock. So it's 2 hours over 2 days. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 total hours every month. While it's true that there are 2 hours between 2 and 4 o'clock, in the English language, when someone says from 2nd to the 4th day, they mean that the event will take place on the 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th day. So that's 3 days of 2 hours for 6 total hours. When animating this video, I have to remember that 0 to 10 seconds is 10 seconds. But frame 0 to frame 10 is 11 frames. Frame 10 cannot be the 10th frame because frame 1 isn't the first frame. Frame 0 is the first frame. Frame 1 is the second frame, and so on. So sometimes I have to take a moment to remember how to add 2 and 2. Multiplying 2 times 2 isn't always straightforward either. Let's say you have an investment opportunity that's guaranteed to double whatever you put into it in 1 year. If you invest 2 money, how much would you expect to have in your account after a year? The answer is 0. 10% return on investment, that's a good deal. 100% annual ROI is clearly a scam. Anyone guaranteeing to double your money is lying, they will take it, and you will never see them again. However, this isn't real life, it's just a thought experiment. We can imagine a perfect account that whatever you put into it, it will grow steadily until you have double your investment in a year's time. So if you put in 2 money into this account, in a year's time, you will have 2 times 2, 4 money. Then you reinvest that 4 money and another year later, it will double to 8 money. Well, what if instead of waiting for a year to reinvest, we took a look at our account 6 months after our initial investment? If it's growing at an even rate, it should be halfway between 2 and 4, so you should have 3 money. So we reinvest this 3 money back into our magical doubling account. And in a year's time from this reinvestment, we expect to have 6 money. If we check 6 months after the reinvestment, we will see 4.5 money in our account. So this account that meant to double investment in a year took 2 money and produced 4.5 money. What if instead of waiting 6 months, we reinvested more frequently? If every month we took the money from our account and said, that's the investment we want to double in a year's time, our 2 money initial investment in 1 year would grow into 5 money. Even with our magical constantly doubling account, this isn't some infinite money glitch. By reinvesting your growth every millisecond, the most you can get from this 2 times 2 is 2 times 2.718. Interesting number, this 2.71828 something. I wish I'd been told about it earlier. I wonder what other places it shows up in.